in 1926. Gaudi started out with a plan for a neo-Gothic church, although he gradually incorporated his own unprecedented building solutions. At a glance, we can see that the building has a pyramidal structure. With this shape, the architect hopes to suggest a connection between the human and the central tower, dedicated to Jesus Christ, will be the tallest of all, soaring to a height of 172.5 meters. It will be surrounded by another 4 towers, honoring the 4 evangelists. What is your first impression as you look at it? Are you surprised by the rich sculptures and plant motifs? This facade is dedicated to the birth of Jesus and his early life. With this exuberant representation of nature, Gaudi wanted to express the joy of creation and the advent of the Son of God. Now, find a place where you have a clear view of the entire facade. If you look closely, you will see that the facade is divided into 3 triangular portals, each of which is dedicated to a member of the Holy Family or Sagrada Familia.
So guys, I'm done with the Sagrada Familia and I'm about to go to Montjuic. I'm just waiting for the train. This will be my first time using the train in Barcelona. Since coming here, I've not used the train. I've been using the bus and all that. So I would use the train for the first time. I'm sweating, but soon it will start getting cold. I did a hack and made sure that I dressed to avoid cold today. So guys, yeah, waiting for the train.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Guys, this is why it is really good to like pay for those tour buses. It's where I'm headed right now, all those roads there. But because I paid for just 24 hours, I'm not able to use it again. 24 hours expired. So now I have to use this metro going to Montjuic, and yeah, here I guess I'm here already, and we have to go and have the cable car experience. So I'm here. This stressed me a bit, so let's have the cable car experience and see what it's like. Experience. I came in the evening at sunset and I think it's the perfect time. The sun is just setting and it's perfect. This is just past 5.